Wow, welcome back to Buckland Junction. Today I'm just outside Nottingham. I'm at a little village called Trumpton. I'm parked just alongside the church, which is that red blob there. There's the River Trent, look, so I'm going to be walking around and about the River Trent. I'm trying to get to a weir and this massive great train bridge taking the main line through into Nottingham. So there's the weir, the river, the railway bridge, and here are some canal boats, canal sidings, and this is one heck of a power station with more chimneys than I do remember it working, and you could see it for miles away, but yeah, there's some canal boats and things going on there, so I'm going to go and have a look in the Red Hill Marina, the railway bridge, the weir and the river. And I'm going to find somewhere for a little picnic. So yeah, Nottingham is just the other side of the river here. I'm not going anywhere near it, but I think it's probably going to be quite a busy rail bridge this, so yeah, let's see how we get on. That's Alan in the bus. Going for a walkabout. Well, that's the beautiful church of Trumpton. So this is where I start my there's my little darling parked up against the church wall. If I haven't taken the mickey there. Well, just half an hour's walk from the from Trumpton Church to the Trent, River Trent. I've sat on the banks of the Trent all over the place, but never here. And look what's just over there. A massive great weir, and behind it a double girdered river bridge and some arches over there. So yeah, lots more to come. Let's go and have a look. Wow, the noise is colossal. Swan over there just lifted his head up and said, what are you up to? And then decided that I wasn't a danger, and he's gone back to sleep again. Look. That's him there. And wow, what a busy piece of water this is. I've seen one of the weirs from the M1 and thought I always wanted to go and see it, but this is not alongside the M1. This is another weir a bit further down the river. Yeah, so that is that's the Trent. Let's move on. That's the cattle I was being warned about to stay away from, because they've probably got young, etc. And yeah, I'm going to sit here next to the weir. Look at that! I'll see if I can get a better picture. I don't know if you can hear me, but the noise is, wow, it's really quite loud. And yeah, we've got jet aircraft training going on over the top of us, and I'm going to try and get a bit closer to the rail bridge. And I've seen a couple of trains come over, so I'll see if I can get a better view of this bridge in a moment. It's a 3-span bridge, 3 spans of yeah. Here comes something. Where is it? Ah. Oh look, it's another shed. I hope you can see it, because I can't see a thing on this poor old camera. Oh yeah, I can just about see it. I think I've got it in view. It's the containers. What's that class? 66? I've got to get a better viewpoint. Well, that is some cracking bridge, isn't it? Right. Let's get another viewpoint. Well, there we go. I'm actually standing under one bridge, which is on like round pillars, and this one I think is on older pillars. Yeah, they're stone, and I'm not sure what they are. They seem to be encased in steel bands. Maybe it's been strengthened. Some more graffiti on the other side. Let's see if I can get a better view. This is where two rivers, I think, converge. Converge? Yeah, maybe that's the right word. It's the Trent and the Sour. So let's see if I can get a better viewpoint of this bridge. I'm quite surprised on how tatty and rusty they are. Big patches of rust everywhere. I thought they would be painted and looked after, but it doesn't seem to be that way. Yes, more coming. That's a signal there. Whoops. Come on camera, we've got like another floodplain bridge there. So I gather this lot floods out at some times when they've had lots of rain. And my camera's going to unzoom. So look at the rust. Look at the rust on that. Surely it'd be better to keep a couple of painters on here, chipping and scraping. It really isn't a mess. It's almost like, well, it's probably worth more in steel if you just put concrete bridges across here next. Yeah, but I'm really surprised how tatty and neglected these bridges are. A bit like the UK really. And I've just spotted something else what I've got to show you. Wow! That was good timing. If you're going to make a bridge mouth, do it like this. This was made when England felt good about itself. Look at that. Let me zoom out just a little bit. It's a fairy tale castle. It's a fairy tale castle. It's got steps up the side of it. I wonder if it's yeah, let me have a go at trying to get up there. Back in a moment. Look at that lovely bridge. It is just looks like Dover Castle. What do you reckon on that for a tunnel entrance? Look. It's got one low turret and one high turret. I wonder if you can get up there, or are they just for show? That's gorgeous. It's got a big crest on it, but I can't see what it says. Climbed up the bank here next to the tunnel entrance, and where this smiley face is, I'm trying to hold my camera, which I think is level. This tower is leaning forward at quite an alarming angle. Look at look at the angle of that. It's on the move. The whole thing wants taking down and rebuilding. Yeah, well, I'm going to wait here for a couple of trains and then I'm going to move on for the canal. Well, that's about the best view I'm going to get of the two bridges together. And oh no, the cows have moved into this field now. Sugar. Oh, got some movement. Wow, good timing, good timing. Look at that. I have no idea what trains they are. Very good. The first tower, the big one, seems upright. The second one also seems a bit pissed. But this one, look how different it is. It's really leaning forward, and I think these are monitors on here. These bars coming down to a box on the wall, on the fence, that says datum on it. I think it's monitoring its lean. I just hope they take it to pieces and put it back, because it's such a beautiful piece of facade, I think the word is I would use. It's gorgeous. Right, moving on. There can be only one vehicle making this noise, and it's the mighty Heimat. Yeah, she is. busy or what? Oh, oh. Too quick for me. EMR. Look how these two arches have been strengthened with steel work, yet this one not. Yeah, I wonder how old all this is. From the 1800s, I bet. I suppose I need to apologise for the short video today. I'm going to have to buy a new camera. This one is slowly giving up the go. My day was cut short by like 250 young bulls wandering around. I'm not frightened of cows in general because I did spend a lot of time on a farm, so but they were just young bulls. They've just their horns have just come through and they're all head-butting each other and jumping around like, yeah, like Bambi. So I'm just apologising, but look at this lovely sky tonight. I'm in the van. I've had my trucker's shower out the door. I have my pizza out the oven, and now I'm just going to edit the video. But you know, it's things like this I love about pirate camping. And I'm going to be stepping out a bit later because I think it's going to be a very nice starry night. The moon's up. Yeah, it's lovely. So I'm not sure if I'll be doing a video tomorrow because I'm really getting short on places to find, and I shall be dropping in on my sister for a couple of days. So if you don't hear from me, you know why. So that's Alan out on the A52 in a little special place that I know from truck driving, and it's all nice and quiet here. And yeah, see you soon. Take care. Alan out.